Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Got a few things to talk about today. Stone is underway with the new look and the new transformation. I got a little information for you guys on Stone. If you've been following my Instagram, you might have seen that I posted in one of my stories that the wrap is purple. For everyone that watches the vlog, I'm going to give you a hint near the end of the video, and that's all I'm going to say. So, anyways, the wrap's underway. We got the material. It's turning out just as I expected. The other thing that we're going to do is something that we did on Quinn, and I got some black ABS plastic, and it's actually a 1/4 inch thick this time, but we're going to make a new splitter for the front of Stone. Just like we did with Quinn, we're going to cut it out to shape, put the splitter rods in, and I'm actually going to make another video on a how-to, just because I've changed it up a little bit, and from the original design I learned what to do and not to do with bolting and what bolts to use and washers and all that good stuff. So I am going to make another video on how to make your front splitter. It is actually one of my most popular videos on YouTube under HQ BMW, but we're going to do it again, and we're going to change it up just a little bit, and I'll bring you guys and show you along. Now, I haven't been filming the wrap process because this is the first time I've actually wrapped entire panels. You've seen before with Quinn, I did it in camo pieces, and that was way easier than trying to do like a whole bumper. So I did the entire bumper. If you've seen on Instagram, it was a pain. It took me 4 tries to get it done, and I got it, and I think it looks pretty phenomenal. I'm really happy on how it turned out, but it was a lot of learning curve and a lot of material wasted trying to wrap this myself. Knowing that, I'd probably just pay someone to do it next time because it's going to be that much easier, and I was so frustrated and stressed and just worked up that at one point I was like, it's not getting wrapped, I'm not doing it. I'm just wasting material. I might as well just burn the money. So yeah, I thought I might as well just burn the money, because that's all I'm doing is throwing it out all in the trash anyway. So, but I did get it. The wrap is moving along. We are getting it done. And you guys can see Yvette, the Corvette, is still sitting here. We're just waiting on the front bumper. We dropped the bumper off with Maranello 3 to 3.5 weeks ago, so it should be done anytime, I'm hoping, because Christine wants to get it out on the road and start enjoying it. So fingers crossed that the bumper here soon and we can get it wrapped up and show you guys the end result. I accidentally formatted all of the video that I recorded on the mods that I did. So once we get the front bumper back, I'll do a video of all the changes and everything we did to the Corvette and share it with you guys. Then at that time we'll probably also be revealing it to Christine, which I'll probably do in a video as well, because I think she's going to be pretty excited, and she's probably going to thoroughly enjoy her Corvette this year. Just a hunch. One more thing that I want to talk about, and it's something that has been really bothering me, and I may lose subscribers, I may lose Instagram followers, I might even lose friends, but on social media I've seen a lot lately of people are just modding their cars to look better. They're not doing any power performance enhancements. They're only doing a few things to try and gain the clout with their cars. They want to bring back clean builds only. I get it. That's your personal preference, and you're sharing it on social media. However, you're also part of a group that stands for building cars and respecting each other and the build. And as far as I'm concerned, if somebody just wants to put underglow on their car and call it that's what their build is, then great, perfect, let them do that, because maybe that little small thing that they've done to their car helps them get out of an anxiety-filled state, or helps them fight through their depression, or just makes them feel better as a person. It doesn't matter what you do to your car. If a car is your passion and it's your hobby, and all you're doing is putting stickers on your car, and that's what makes you happy, that's what I want you guys to do. You don't need to put air suspension in the car. You don't need to lower the car. You don't need to buy $1,000 of wheels and tires. And I think everybody should just modify their car how they want to, regardless of whether it's clean, whether you like it or not, because it doesn't matter if you like it. If the person driving it likes it, that's all that matters. And I think we need to really start spreading more and more of that message, because in the States, I know when I was down in Stance Wars, it doesn't matter what you drive. If you're a car person, you're a car enthusiast, you're a car enthusiast. You get respect for that. Here in Canada, the amount of people that are reposting on social media and just disgracing other people's builds is ridiculous. Why are we doing this in Canada? We should be sticking together to help grow our community and show everybody in the States that us Canadians can modify our cars as well and make them look just as good as everybody else, because we all got the same parts, we all got the same modifications, and we all need to just build our car so that we enjoy it. If you guys have been following my story on YouTube for the past 2 years, you'll know that I don't do this for anybody else but myself. I've made the videos to help you guys with installing air suspension, making custom DIY parts, and also saving you money by how you do it. You could go and spend $300 and $400 on a splitter from a company, where you can spend $80 to $100 and make one yourself and enjoy the process, and then it's yours customized. So all of this clean builds, and it needs to stop, and I am starting to unfollow it on social media because I don't need to see it. I'm not interested in seeing it. I'm interested in spreading positivity and building each one of us up, because that's what we should be doing as a car community. That's my rant for today. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think below. We respect everybody and all builds. That's going to be a new motto, and I think we need to start pushing that a lot more throughout the entire environment. Now, if you're going to be a tool at a car meet or Cars and Coffee, and you're going to be revving and burning your tires out, and you're being just a complete jackass, you need to go home. Don't come to the meets, because you're ruining it for everybody else. And everybody else with, even if you're just driving a car and you're interested in cars and you haven't done anything to your car, we want those people to come out, because I truly believe that each and one of us that are building our cars, we're also inspiring other people to get out and do this stuff and, you know, help fight mental illness, and just let them get a passion for something. Let's just have more respect for each other. That's my rant for now. So I'm gonna get to continuing to wrap stone. First things first, the ABS plastic that I got, I'll mention it in the DIY video, but I did get it from a company called Plastic Works here in Calgary. I went to them to buy the sheet, and they actually knew who I was. They've said that they've been getting about one phone call a week looking for this carbon fiber looking ABS plastic that I posted in my original video. And I was like, oh sweet, do I get a deal now? Because like, I'm sending you all this traffic. And the answer was no. So I paid full price for my sheet of ABS plastic. So I'm not going to link them down below. I'm not going to give them a shout out. Just, that's where I got the plastic from. If it's something that you're looking for, give them a contact and see if they have it in stock. Now, if you stayed this long in the vlog, thank you for listening to those rants and the hoo-haws and blah blah blah. Hopefully you didn't fast forward all the way to this portion of the vlog, but in my Instagram I actually did a post where I put a picture of my car with the rear bumper, and it was a purple wrap. said that we're gonna do a whole purple wrap and get some white wheels and look like Stradman. And I even tagged Powderworks and like, let's get the wheels powder coated white and do this whole Stradman look. But it's all 100% fake. Thank you to my photography teachers at SAIT for showing me how to use Photoshop and kind of tricking all you guys following the gram. I got a lot of guys trying to figure out what color wrap I'm doing, what am I doing to the car, and I thought I would show you a taste. And the comments that I got back was basically the number one comment I received in my inbox was, whoa, wasn't expecting that. Naturally, because that's not what we're doing. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of kind of the theme and what we're doing with the car, and let you guys just kind of put it together and maybe figure it out to see what we're doing. So here's the color. That's the color we're putting down on Stone. And Stone is getting some new tags for the fenders. So, new tags, new color. That's all I'm going to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update vlog, but I just really wanted to address what's really wrong with the Canadian car scene and how we should be fixing it and how we should be addressing it. So hopefully I didn't offend you. I'd like to know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments below. Hope you have a fantastic day. Happy Easter. And if you've watched this after Easter, I hope you all had a fantastic Easter with your friends and family. For all of us that are able to actually see any friends or family, I know a lot of us in Canada are still locked down, but have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.